sharing our latest creation freshly out of production and currently undergoing testing, an incredible 3D printer. This SLA light curing printer features a dual laser system, so it can rapidly solidify liquid photosensitive resin, achieving high-precision prints with astonishing detail. This machine is a customized requirement from overseas customers, such as prototyping car interior door panels. It boasts a large format capability, while its dual lasers significantly reduce print times, saving valuable time and costs in product development, accelerating the validation of product designs. Its high-precision printing, personalized customization, and large build volume leave customers highly satisfied. For tailored solutions, look no further than Zhongeng 3D. For more details on our light-curing SLA 3D printers, please feel free to reach out to us anytime